Imagine you have dates in random formats and you want to apply a single format to all of them. You can record applying the format you want, and then replay the whenever needed. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this in Excel 2019, but the steps in this guide applies to all Microsoft Excel. To display the Developer tab, click on the File menu and then select Options from the drop-down menu. When the Excel Options window appears, click on the Customize ribbon option on the left. Click on the Developer checkbox under the list of main tabs on the right. Then click on the OK button. Now you should see the Developer tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. On the Developer tab, in the Code group, click Record Macro. In the macro name box, enter a name for the macro. Make the name as descriptive as possible so you can quickly find it if you create more than one macro. Click OK to start recording. Perform the actions that you want to record. On the Developer tab, in the Code group, click Stop Recording. Then click the Visual Basic button to open the Visual Basic editor. Click File and select Export File. Enter a name for the macro. How to working with recorded macros in Excel. This is how you do it. Open the worksheet into which you want to import the macro code you copied. Click the Developer tab, then click the Visual Basic button to open the Visual Basic editor. Click File and select Import File. Close the Visual Basic Editor window and return to the main Excel window. Click the Macros button to open the Macros dialog window. You will see the new macro that you imported in the list of macros. And this is the result. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. Help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribe.